She is MSc MEd Gold medalist from Bangalore University and district topper in BEd. She has over 21 years of experience in the academic field. She is passionate educationist and love to inculcate values in children. Her focus is on providing rich academics experiences to school children, for which she can be found facilitating children's interactions with people from various streams and walks of life. The Great Mentors warmly invites Ms. Mrinalini Singh, Principal, YPS Delhi NCR. Ms. Singh is so positive in thought, she always converted challenges into opportunity. She has been awarded as Best Principals by IIHM for 3 consecutive years. She has been given Kalam Ke Sipahi Award by CM Uttarakhand. Education Minister of Maldives presented Most Influential Leader Award in 2020. Mind Mingle presented Edupreneur of the Year Award in 2019. Hope Foundation presented Best Principal in Asia Award in 2019. Governor of Fuji presented Award for Best Principal in 2019. Rishihood University presented Corona Crusader Award 2020. Joint Secretary Finance Ministry Gov of India presented Best Principal Award 2021. Global Principals Award in 2022. Literature is as much a passion to her as gardening, which helps her in seamless introduction of poetic topics and green lessons in her conversations with children. The sparks in the young eyes is my driving force, she says. And I always inspire children to convert the conventional green skills to futuristic sustainable endeavors. Efficient command over IT is an essential skill to convert the traditional knowledge to treasures, be it art, history, literature, medicine or finance. Ms. Singh pays special attention to development of teachers with respect to pedagogy. She shows special interest in integrating historical anecdotes to understanding and applications of present-day situations to form bridge between cultural and traditional roots and futuristic technological advancements. Ms. Singh is a postgraduate in science, with a research experience in botany. She has served educational sector in various roles. Ms. Singh was head examiner for CBSE paper checking for biology. This has also added to the deeper understanding of paper setting and assessment modalities of the board. Ms. Singh has also contributed to development of Science Biology Kit with NCERT team, which is now used extensively as a basic kit for practical. Ms. Singh has been leading K-12 schools since 2017 and has fetched laurels to her school, which includes bagging the 5-star rating award in Best Co-Curricular Activities by Ministry of Education Maldives in 2022.